Namaskar dosto, welcome back to Ajay Guru. I'm Neena, and today we're diving into some crucial geopolitical developments that could significantly impact global markets, particularly commodities. Let's talk about Taiwan. China has launched a second day of major military drills around the island, and for the first time, they've officially named this operation Straight Thunder 2025A. This is a significant escalation, and it's essential to understand what's happening. According to reports, these drills are focused on improving China's ability to blockade Taiwan and carry out precision strikes. This comes at a time of heightened tensions, with Beijing increasing its criticism of Taiwan's President Lai Ching-te, whom they've recently called a parasite. Adding to the complexity, U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has also made strong statements against China during his recent Asia tour. Taiwan has reported that over 10 Chinese warships have entered its response zone, and they're also facing harassment drills from China's Coast Guard. This combination of naval and coastal activity is designed to put pressure on Taiwan and test its defenses. The international community is responding strongly. The United States, Japan, and the European Union have all condemned China's actions, emphasizing the critical need to maintain regional stability. These nations are clearly concerned about the potential for further escalation and the impact it could have on the broader Asia-Pacific region. Now, how does this affect commodities? The potential for conflict in this region creates uncertainty, and uncertainty drives market volatility. We could see fluctuations in energy prices, especially oil and natural gas, due to the strategic importance of the South China Sea. Additionally, metals like copper and aluminum, which are vital for manufacturing in the region, could also experience price swings. Shipping and logistics will also be affected, potentially impacting the supply chains of various commodities. From an Ajay Guru perspective, it's crucial to monitor these developments closely. We advise our viewers to stay informed and consider the potential for increased market volatility. Diversification of your portfolio and careful risk management are more important than ever. We will continue to provide updates and in-depth analysis as the situation develops. Don't forget to subscribe to Ajay Guru for the latest updates and expert analysis on commodities and global events. Hit that like button if you found this information valuable, and leave your comments below. What are your thoughts on these developments? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights from Ajay Guru. Namaskar.